Yes, you can. I request
Hello.
you, please open everyone's camera. This is last and final warning to all. Manasvi, you also beta. Nirmit Pagar, don't let me angry again, please. Come on, Manasvi.
Hello everyone, this is Manasvi Dusane. So today I'm here to speak on today's topic. So today's our topic of this session is your result is the choice of you. Yes, it is correct that your result is the choice of you. Because in our life full of choices, but you have to decide which choice is better for your result, and it is only in your hands. If suppose in your exam time you will decide I will get more mark in my exam, uh, means if you thinking positively, that that will happen automatically in your result. Therefore in your result is a choice of you, and everything in our life reflection of choice that you have made. If you want different if you want different result, so then you will make a different choice. And last one thing I want to mention that uh, everywhere things are happening, and we are the witness of witness of that everything. And everyone has decided on which people used to walk, but some corner of journey miracles happen, and suddenly our what we call I am and focus are changes. And but it is up to you, and and everybody experience adventurous things once in a life. And either those are make you happy, and either those make you are sad. So therefore choice is most important to uh, make get to your result. Thank you for being with me.
Okay. Yes, absolutely correct. Would you like to answer me, Manasvi, that most of the people are unable to study in their life? Even they are unable to get the job of government, even that if they want to earn that much money, then they are unable to earn. Why? Because of they actually don't feel to study in their life. That's all. So what's your point on the what's your point on these things?
I think, sir, it's up to them.
Okay, yeah, next one. Please open everyone's camera. Mansi Lavanya.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, you can. You are asking.
No, sir.
Okay, continue.
So, hi guys, it's me Nirmit Pagar, and today's topic is very, very interesting. That the result is of your choice, and it is totally true. That suppose we decide to that in this exam I will come up first in my class, and I come in a first in a class, then you definitely come in a first of class. Only you follow the decision that you've taken, and so and the result is of your choice. When suppose you take any ambition that I will do this, I will in this exam I bring out of mark, and for only that you follow the ambition. And suppose you taken decision that today I will study for 2 hours or 3 hours, then you definitely follow that decision. Then you definitely the definitely result is of your choice. Only we do some hard work and for for means for our becoming the ambition true. And guys, it is totally true that suppose we do a hard work and practice for any ambition or a decision we taken, then the result is always of our choice. Means suppose it is how we want the result, then it is come. Suppose we want our result for
Nirmit Pagar,
out of mark,
while talking,
then
keep open your
yes.
camera.
Sir, camera is open.
No, but I am not looking. Now you open it.
No, sir,
Continue.
camera is already open.
Okay, come on. Continue.
And guys, suppose, sir, here I am.
Where he was?
Yes, sir.
I think he was talking that
Yes, sir. I remember.
no.
So, guys, suppose we taken an ambition. We will do this, and I will becoming the some. Means suppose I will come in a first in a class, and for that means for that ambition, we do a hard work and we do a practice. Then definitely the result is come of our choice. And thank you, friends, to being with me.
Okay, correct. Yeah, Yogeshwari, what's your point on today's topic?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Janvi. Yeah, I
Sorry,
will get. Yes, I will give you a chance. Firstly, let her speak. Okay. I know that your class is at before 9, but also just wait. Let her finish. Huh?
but sir, please.
Sir, sorry, but I did not prepare today's topic.
Okay, Janvi, you are very lucky because she unable to talk. Okay, come on, Janvi.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me
God
chance. Hello.
actually, see, God, don't thank you me, thank to God. Because God actually allow you to get chance.
Yes,
Come on.
sir. Okay. Hello, friends. Here is a Jan Vera, and today I am here to talk on today's topic. And today's our very nice topic is the result is and the result is the choice of you. I think friends, it's true that your result is a choice of you, because how you in exam, how you show your power, how you show your power, in that base you get more marks, like that in your life, how you show how you think, how you work, how you show your power, in that thing you get success. According to me, your life is must be in your hand. So in must be in your hand. It's up to you that how to make your result good. I think in if you want to make your result good, make your result good, then you should be think about you should be think every time about your goal, your aim, your achievement. Then you will get your success, then you will get success very easily. So I want to tell everyone that always think about your goal, then you will get a nice a very nice result of your life. So thank you, friends, for being with me.
Okay. Yes. Anyone want to ask her?
Hello, I want to ask. Hey, this sister, I have a question for you. Can you tell me what is your goal in your life?
What is my goal? Okay. Actually, I wanted to complete my in 11th. I wanted to complete my science, and after that I wanted to go in science field.
Oh,
So you went or not?
What, sir?
You went or not in science field right now?
Not now, not I went, but I will get in science field.
Okay. That means, is there your relationship at this college?
No, sir, it's my it's up to me, because
It's up to your marks. If you will get that much marks,
no.
then definitely you will get the admission.
Yes, sir, it's must be up to me how I think about that. That will be happen.
Okay. Or is there any connection between your father and to this principal?
No.
Okay. Okay, just kidding. Now that let's we allow that Mayuri Brahmankar.
Yes, sir. So today's topic is result is choice of you. So I because of result is choice of you, because of you get study, and after get you success, after you get success and get good result for you. Many of people think how can I get how can I fail, and why I cannot good marks. So it's not proper study. So you can proper study, and you get also success because of yeah, good mark. It's a good marks not important, but and not success is important, but you good way is important for your life. When you go to is your goals and success, so you can achieve to whatever things, and the result is depend on your choice. So so you can do, and you achieve for whatever be things, because your way and your choices depend on you, and you get a good that means you whatever you choose one field, and you get interested for this field, and you get a good you get a success on this field. And whatever persons they choose whatever field, and they not good marks, and they fail for this field. Why? Because of they can't study, and can't uh, they can't think what is this and this field. They can't understand. So you choose a good field and so you get a good result because of because your choice, and choices depend on you. Thank you for being with me.
Okay. Yeah, you talk so much good, Mayuri. Next one,
Thank you, sir.
Janvi Aira. I think you finished, no?
Yes, sir.
You finished earlier, no? That's why I just reminded.
Yes.
Okay, Janvi Patil.
Hi friends, it's me Janvi Patil, and our today's topic is about result is your result is choice of you. I think friend, it's true that our result is choice of us, because when we will just take a right to I just wanted to a great marks, and I just wanted to best result for our exams, then we will just get that. So means it on us, and everything in the world is on us. Whenever we will just choice means whenever we are just taking a choice of us, then every time we are just getting the best things. So means every time we just think about ourselves, and just do a study with our mind, and we just take means we just decide every time that I just wanted to do study, then I will that. So friends, a result is always on a result is always in our hand, that what we want. So friends, thank you.
Okay, yes, absolutely correct, Janvi. Janvi, can you tell me that why actually the result is the choice of us?
Because whenever we are just taking a admission without taking the permission of parents, then means we just wanted the admission in another school, in another college, and parents are just telling to us that you just take that in another. So our family also just get a sadness, because of we are just taking a admission to another. So means it whenever we will just get a choice of ourselves, and we will just get a choice that I just wanted to 101% marks in an exam, then also my parents will just get a happiness from that. Then means it's our choice, then it's our choice for that, that my parents and everyone will just get a happiness like this.
Okay. Yeah, Lavanya, what's your question? Please ask her anything.
Sir, Mansi is asking.
Sorry.
Mansi is asking, sir. I am not asking.
Okay, Mansi.
So, dear sister, my
I know
question.
that she is an expert in everything because those who name of Mansi, even Manasvi, that both is very clever, but they are unable to share their talent. I don't know because of what, but the reason behind it something.
Okay. Dear sister, my question is to you that you told that everything has a result and everything has a choice. So tell me that which is the thing that have only the choice but don't have result.
Hey, Chaudhary, what
Can you
exactly you are
repeat
doing there? Yeah, answer, Janvi.
Sorry, sir.
Please repeat your question. Dear sister, I'm asking you that you told that everything has a choice and everything has result. So tell me that which is the thing that only have the choice but don't result. In that means also in the studies when we are not just we have a family problem and we are suffering from that and we are just taking telling to our mind that I want the full of the marks, but also we are not just getting in that then that thing and also many of like the cooking. No, sister, I'm not asking you, but if you are marks, that's on you that how much you will study. So I'm asking you that we don't know that thing that what will be the result. I'm asking you about that type of thing. I'm not understanding your question.
Ask her easily. You actually,
I'm asking easily.
you are going through Mumbai. Okay, just go from Dhule area. Do you know the Dhule area? Yes, come on.
I'm
Okay,
asking.
fine.
Sir, told my please tell my answer.
Okay, answer, Janvi. Once again, you just hear that her questions. Okay,
So
after you.
otherwise you can also answer.
Yes, ask.
So tell me that which is the thing that have only the choice but don't have result.
Okay, the thing is that if you are if you are not keeping well, right, and your exam is front of you, even coming soon, so that you will actually not do anything because of your
Sir,
exam.
but this thing don't have any choice because it's not on us that what we wanted like
I don't know, but this was my answer of questions. If anyone having the other question, please ask, even answer her. Is there any doubt?
also, sir, that we are just means in COVID-19 situation we are just getting
Actually, see, Mansi, I know that you are genius in everything, but everyone has not done that PhD, even including me. Okay, therefore, this we actually get the scared of you. Whenever actually you ask now, that time I know that the question answer also you might have that much.
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
I just kidding, huh? Don't take serious. Otherwise, you will cry after finishing the batch.
Hello.
No, sir. Can I answer?
Yeah, you can.
Hello.
iPhone Neha Jadhav, open your camera. I know that I will not allow you to speak. Don't worry.
Hello, sir. Excuse me. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, sorry, but if you don't mind, can I leave?
This is not fair. If you are
Sir,
close
sorry
with,
for today
if you are
because I
closely with
want
you,
to go somewhere.
just shut up. If you are closely with you,
Sir, really,
then how can you actually stop the?
sir, just try to understand. We want to go in our other.
Okay, okay. Don't worry. You
office.
can, you can. Yes. Next one,
Thank you, sir.
Mansi. What's your point on today's topic? Come on.
Yes, sir. Hi guys, this is Mansa and today I'm going to talk on our today's topic, that is the result is choice of you. So I think guys, it's not right statement, because it's not on it's not on the result that what we have to choose or what we have to choose, because till this century it's on us, like what will be result like of 12th standard and the 11th standard. So I think it's not on result, because if you are really sure about you that what will happen with your result, if you know already, so you will also be fine to choose your choice. Because also our new HRD minister, he also told that if you can also able to give the degree and also able to take degree at the 9th, 10th and 11th standard. So I am also with our HRD minister, that he takes this much of the good choice. Because if this much of the our world will be at this much level, so we can able to do anything in our life, and also we can also able to do our for India and our country also. So I think that is it's not on us, because if you are already sure about your result, because if you know that I am able to do something, so even you know, because that much you have knowledge, so from that knowledge you can also choose your choice. Because if you wanted to choose something for you, so you know that what in what field you are interested, and the field what you are interested, so you will totally have knowledge about that. So I think it's not on result to
Okay,
choose something.
next. Mansi Chaudhary.
Yes, sir. So can you hear me?
Continue. Yes.
Hello everyone, this is Mansa and today I'm going to tell you about the today's topic. It is very interesting. The name of this topic is your result is the choice of you. So guys, it is the true, because if we have good choice in life, so we can get good results. If we have to success in our life, we should to we must choice that means the point of success, so we should get the good result. If I want to become IPS officer, then I choose that goal and I will success in that. So the state of my mind is this line is very true. There is means this so that means this line is very true, and it is up to us if we have any another choice. So we can make the goal in that. So okay, thank you friends for being.
Okay. Yes, absolutely correct. Komal Desle. Komal Desle, are you getting me? Sorry, your voice is not getting better. Remove the headphone, I think. Okay, fine. Next. Yes,
Now,
Komal. Yeah, we are getting you.
so hi guys, good evening. This is Kumar Desle, and the topic of this session is about your choice. Your result is the choice of you, friends. This is totally true that your your result is the choice of you, because which we choose, that things result we get. Then friends, just like we can, if sometimes we didn't get good result in anything, and that's there the blame to our performance. Then friends,
Beta, if you are getting any disturb, please you out of, because the disturb behind you actually we are also getting. Come on. We are
hello
getting.
sir,
Yes, we are getting you.
can I start without
Yes,
open
yes.
cam? So, hi guys, good evening. This is Komal Desle, and the topic of this session is about your choice is the result of your result is the choice of you. Friends, this is totally true that your result is the choice of you, because if, which we choose, that things result we get. And if sometimes we didn't get good result, then there our performance never matter, that I'm not good in that field or to do that work. Then there our choice can be also wrong, because sometimes i I have seen that some peoples or persons have the interest in other thing, but they don't, but they take other thing like studies, in studies also, like the subjects of 11th 12th, like that science, commerce, arts. And friends, we can take example of Sachin Tendulkar, like just like as we know, Sachin Tendulkar likes cricket from his childhood, and today he is a successful person. But friends, I think that he is fail in 10th also. Today, if at that time he would have take the other field, like as we know, he's fail in the 10th also. And if he had decided that I want to become IAS officer, then if he is not good in studies, then he is good in the other, playing the games in other field. Then if he would have take that, and he, take that big, I want to become IAS officer, and he will not have been able to make it, and means become an IAS officer, then there his choice was wrong. Because if he is good, he is interested in other thing, then he should take only that thing. No, he should not concentrate in other things, and that's why he take the other field. If he didn't have interest in the studies and all things, then he didn't take it, and only due to his right decision, he is today successful person. And that's why, friends, only our result is only the choice of us. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, absolutely correct. Next one, Lavanya.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friend. This is Lavanya, and today I'm going to talk on our today's topic. The your result is the choice of you. Yeah, it's totally true. It's totally true. Sir, can I?
Okay, what happened? Okay, next one, Bhavin.
Yeah, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
So hello friends, it's me Bhavin Chaudhary, and today I am telling you some information about your result is the choice of you. Yeah, it is true, because by your result, your future can be, your future is created. If sometimes you can fail in 10, so if your result gets so not neat, so your future is not come neatly in your life. So sometimes if you pass in 10th with 98%, so by in your future you can get big jobs, and big jobs offers by the companies and other things by your that result, that the